I really hope you have been enjoying my holiday videos. I've been having so much fun with sharing with you all of my holiday appetizers, side dishes, and today I'm going to share with you 6 side salads that you can make for your holiday dinner. I just love quick and easy recipes, but they have to be delicious also, and they have to be crowd pleasing because this time of year, it's just so fun to gather with friends and family around a really good meal. So these 6 side salads are so perfect for your holiday gatherings. I hope you love them as much as we do. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Also, if you're new, check out some of my other holiday videos, tons of appetizers for you. Last week I did some side dishes, no stress side dishes. So check out those videos when you have a chance. Let me share with you these 6 amazing side salads that are perfect for the holidays. This green salad that is perfect for your holiday dinners, holiday get-togethers is going to be a shrimp green salad. And I grew up having my mom make this salad for a lot of family functions, so I absolutely love it. I'm using romaine lettuce. You can use romaine or you can use an iceberg lettuce for this. Either are awesome with it. So I have some frozen peas that are defrosted, and then I kind of have a paper towel to make sure there isn't any liquid on them. I have some shrimp salad, little mini shrimps defrosted, and again, I wanted to make sure I didn't have any water on them. I am making my dressing. I have half a cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of black pepper. I have a teaspoon of paprika. It's super simple. Just really easy ingredients, and this dressing, it just really goes so well with these shrimp. So just mix that all together. Secret ingredient in this is these little chow mein noodles. It gives us an amazing crunch, such a good combination. Now I'm going to add in the dressing and give it a good toss. So you want to make sure you toss this right before you're going to serve it so that these little chow mein noodles are nice and crunchy. So they are so good. Just a great combination. Like I said, I grew up having my mom make this salad, so it is just really wonderful, perfect for the holidays. I'm going to be doing a beet salad. So I have some spring mix. You can use a spring mix 50-50 with spinach if you'd like. I have some beets. These are just already ready to go. You can get them at any grocery store, but they're already cooked, and I just cut them into some small pieces. I love beets, and I love them with feta cheese. I just think it's such a great combo, the beets and the feta. And so that is my salad ready to go. I'm going to make a really awesome dressing. So I have some olive oil. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I have some balsamic. I'm going to do a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I have honey. I'm going to be doing a tablespoon of honey. Super simple, super easy. And I make this all in my little mason jar. I'm doing a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'm going to crack in some pink Himalayan salt. And then I just put my lid on and give this a shake, and it just mixes it all together in a perfect, easy way to make a really good homemade dressing. So I'm going to add my dressing onto my salad. Really easy, great salad. I love this one. The beets are so good, and it's perfect with this spring mix. You can add some chopped pecans to this one also if you like. That's a great touch. But this is a perfect holiday dinner salad. So I'm going to make a Cesar dressing. I have half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm using a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. That's just a regular grated Parmesan cheese. I have a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I have some olive oil as well. I'm going to do a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm using my mason jar again to make this dressing because it's so easy. I am going to use the juice of 2 lemons, and then I'm going to add in some cracked black pepper to taste, and I'm going to add in some pink Himalayan salt also. Just add to taste for yourself. So I'm going to put the lid on, shake this up, and then this homemade Cesar dressing, super easy, is ready to go. So I'm going to cut up my romaine lettuce. I really like buying romaine hearts, cutting them up myself. You can buy already cut up lettuce if you would like. That is definitely your preference, but just it's easy to just cut it up from the romaine hearts. So I'm just cutting into small pieces, adding to my salad bowl. And this is just a really great, easy green salad. And we love Caesar salad in our family, so this one is a huge hit. I have some shaved Parmesan. I love shaved Parmesan. It's so good in Caesar salads. Add your favorite croutons, and now the dressing is ready to be tossed onto this salad. So give it a good mix, toss this lettuce into the yummy dressing, and then this one is ready to go. It's a big hit. It's super delicious. So I'm going to do a spring mix salad. You can do spring mix or you can do 50-50 mix. And I'm going to be putting in some pomegranate. Pomegranate is so good in salads. I just absolutely love it. Some mandarin oranges. My husband loves salads that have fruit in them, so this is a really big hit with him. I have some feta cheese crumbles, so add some of that in, and then I'm also going to add in some chopped pecans, give it a really great little crunch. You can do chopped walnuts also if you'd like. I'm going to make the dressing for this one. I have 1/3 cup of olive oil. I'm going to use a tablespoon of honey. I'm going to use a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I have apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and then I'm going to add in some cracked pink Himalayan salt and some cracked black pepper also. And then this dressing is ready to go. Super easy. It's so much healthier making your own dressings, and they're absolutely delicious. You can customize them to your taste. So I just love anything that's homemade and that it's super easy also. So I'm going to dress this salad, give it a good mix, and this is just a perfect holiday side salad to have with your holiday dinners. So this spring mix green salad is going to have some apples and some dried cranberries and some walnuts in it. So this one's really, really yummy. And like I said, we love salads that have a little bit of fruit in them. So I used a pink lady apple cut into some small pieces. So I have these cranberries and glazed walnuts, really, really easy to put onto salads. And then this Skinny Girl poppy seed dressing, it's only 5 calories per serving, and it's really, really tasty. I'm going to make a fruit salad because we do a ton of fruit salads in our family. And I have 2 apples. I'm going to add in some green grapes. It is just not a family dinner at our house with our family without some kind of fruit salad. I'm adding in some kiwis to this. So this is a really great winter, fall fruit salad. I've got some mandarin oranges we just absolutely love mandarin oranges. I just love the flavor, super easy. I have some fresh cranberries. This is going to make it so nice and festive for the holiday. Give this a mix and you have a really pretty fruit salad, a good winter fruit salad that everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed these side salads that are perfect for your holiday dinners. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Make sure you put a like on this video if you liked it. I have lots more videos coming for you guys, so make sure you subscribe and check back for multiple videos a week. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.